Greetings everyone. I'm Vasu-Dev, team leader of Average Coders, a team participating from Lovely Profession University in the social science category of AIU. And we are here to tackle a very crucial problem statement, that is legal illiteracy in India. And we provide you NyaySathi. NyaySathi is an AI legal companion which delivers justice for everyone. We harness AI and compassionate support to bridge the legal access gaps and advance equitable justice for all. Let's begin the presentation. First of all, let's address the legal awareness crisis which is going on in this nation. 78% of Indians don't know their basic fundamental rights. I'm not even talking about intricate laws, I'm talking fundamental rights. Cause of this, it leads to 64% of court delays cause of stem from the procedural ignorance. The other main issue is the legal aid scarcity. There is just one lawyer for 18,000 citizens. This is a big issue, and this leads to huge barriers which prevents people from navigating legal channels, causing distress and injustice. And this gap needs to be closed, and thus we provide an solution to empower people and to provide them timely solution and justice. Now, let's take a story of Asha. Asha is a house help. She goes through domestic violence each and every day in her home. She faces low pay, which is lower than the provided government low income. Apart from that, she faces certain other extortions, bribing, and much more. She is just sad, depressed with her life, and then she discovers NyaySathi. Now, NyaySathi provides her legal help. In her own language, she simply asks, how do I resolve it? We provide her the rights and everything. We tell her what her actual rights are. We connect her to NGOs which support and get her justice. Now, this is a very common story. And let's talk how we are going to transform the legal access of every citizen, just like we did for Asha. First of all, we'll provide them understanding of legal laws. We will democratize the legal laws into simpler form which can be accessed in their own local language, which by simplifying the complex laws. This leads to learning, this leads to enhancement of individual awareness. This leads to clear, actionable legal guidance which is tailored as per their causation. Now, once it is done, we will act. This enables citizens to apply the legal knowledge, which leads to getting their protect their rights and navigate legal processes confidently. Now, overall, we also empower. We support policymakers by providing them data-driven insights to guide reforms and foster systematic societal transformation. Once all is this, let's talk how we unlock this. Now, NyaySathi provides an AI platform which serves as the central hub and seamlessly integrated all modules. First is the AI legal chat assistant. Now, this provides real-time conversation legal guidance not in just English or Hindi. It provides assistance in 22 plus Indian languages and foreign languages too. This also provides voice feature and a call feature, which too people can just ask the queries and get the resolution. We also have document analyzer where people can upload their legal documents and it can flag all the red ones which can lead to harm. We also provide document generator which helps in tailoring legal drafts and complaint as per the user's need. We also have a portal which lets people know about their rights. This is a centralized repository offering comprehensive legal information in the simplest terms. We also provide legal aid locator. This helps them to find the nearest legal support service much quickly. We also provide an action flow and support throughout each step and procedure, provide assistance for legal processes. This is totally integrated into the single platform, which is the NyaySathi. Now let's move on to the workings work. First of all, citizens can access it via web services, as an app, and much more. They can use text, voice, call, and other features. Now, how does the environment actually works? We utilize LangChain, a RAG pipeline. We use OpenAI, Gemini for various AI integrations, and we use VectorDB to store all the data. Now, you must ask, where does the data come from? We source data only through verified legal sources such as Indian Code, My Government, and e-codes for trusted information. Now, this information is tailored legal guidance, now document drafts and NGO referral links to support informed decisions. Let's move on. Now, the policy dashboard analytics. Now, let's see. We also provide dashboards to authorities, NGOs, and people in power to show them the reality. We provide regional legal literacy index, which exposes the awareness disparities across communities. We provide heat map highlights, which highlights the common legal issues by geographical area. We also show NGO engagement statistics, which shows how collaboration is effective. We also keep the information updated as per the amendment tracker. Apart from all this, we give data driven insight to all the authorities wherever they are needed. Let's move on to some research papers which back us. First is the Harvard Journal 2023, which demonstrated AI chatbot effectiveness in expanding legal access. Then there's IEEE 2024, Advanced Multilingual NLP models tailored for legal system. Then there's Springer 2023, explored AI driven legal literacy programs in developing countries. Elsevier 2022 investigated voice-based legal technology models to improve accessibility. As you can clearly see, all these studies collectively validate NyaySathi, multilingual AI approach to support language and literacy barriers in justice. Let's move on to the next part. How does this impact? Now, the NyaySathi advances by Sustainable Digital Goals 5, 9, and 16 by empowering citizens through AI driven legal awareness. First of all, we provide AI powered awareness, which is very crucial. The first step with AI technology is generate accessible legal knowledge embeddings. This enables informed citizens, now which leads to citizen empowerment, building an awareness. Marginalized group gain legal confidence and agency, promoting gender equality and inclusion and an overall growth in their life standard. This also leads to justice and institutional strength. The outcome is robust social justice and stronger institution aligned with SDG 16, supported by innovation, AI infrastructure. Let's look at the phasation, that how we will scale this product. First of all, we'll provide an AIU pilot rollout, which is an MVP which validates that our concept actually works. Once that is done, we'll move on to language expansion, which we believe is one of the most crucial parts. We need to reach the rural India. And for that, we will need to support regional languages. Apart from that, we will collaborate with NGO partnership and collaborate with them. We will establish proper bonds so they are accessible to each and every user. Once all of this is done, we will go for a nationwide rollout. Deployed NyaySathi through AIU institutions to maximize reach and impact. Now, all of this is done. Let's look at the reality. The reality is justice is a fundamental right. It must not be a privilege. And that's why we are here. And we invite all stakeholders to collaborate in AI powered empathy and innovation, which eventually will lead to empowered citizens, which are armed with the knowledge and tools which can drive societal transformation. Altogether, we can bridge the legal divides and build inclusive justice system, and thus harnessing technology compassionately to uphold universal right to justice. We invite all of you to join our team and meet us in the finals. Thank you.